Hey, Tom from Tom's Toons. When we are in teardown mode, that's all we're thinking about. This console and controls, kind of a pain to disassemble. I'm gonna have to do some rearranging anyway later when we get the new floor down. So I'm actually gonna cut from the hole very carefully with my Sawzall out and make a couple cuts to allow myself to pull all of my wiring and steering cable and shift throttle and the whole control box out. And then I'll get to reinstalling that or unhooking the cables necessary to run back up through the floor. Here at Tom's Toons, we always replace the deck. So there's no cutting a hole and then reinstalling everything. We don't do that. We cut new holes, we go through the deck, we do things right the first time. So I'm gonna cut my 2 slits so I can pull everything out of here. Make sure my cables are out of the way. Console was garbage too. Now, I can pull my shift throttle box and electrical right on out. We'll set that underneath so it stays safe. And my steering cable too. Electrical here. Now we can continue with the tear down, getting the floor up, and then we'll readdress our steering cable, shift throttle box, and everything when we're ready to put the new console in and run our hole up through the floor. Hopefully that helps speed up your tear down too.